If you need to close your Coinbase account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Coinbase website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Withdraw your funds. Before closing your account, withdraw any remaining cryptocurrency or fiat currency. Go to the Assets section, select the currencies you want to withdraw, and follow the prompts to transfer them to another wallet or bank account. Step 3. Disable two-factor authentication. If you have two-factor authentication 2FA enabled, it is a good idea to disable it before closing your account. Navigate to the security settings and turn off 2FA to simplify the account closure process. Step 4. Access account settings. Go to the account settings by clicking on your profile icon. Look for the security or account section where you will find the option to close your account. Step 5. Follow the closure process. Select the option to close your account and follow the on-screen instructions. You may need to confirm your identity and agree to the terms before the account is officially closed. After completing these steps, your Coinbase account will be closed. Make sure to keep any necessary records or confirmations for your personal files.